I bet it's fun to fly with just instead of always with Stu, huh?
Oh yeah. There we go.
We're doing it, Brad. I'm excited.
Great. I'll just set her down here so you can just see how we'll touch down. After being up so high, it looks like, how low am I going to go?
Oh my gosh. How did we land?
Yeah, we're down.
Man, you land nice.
Yeah. Here it is.
R255, runway 35 left, ready for departure.
Oh, now that, that got my stomach. That was awesome. Oh, we're faster.
Oh yeah, we're going to get to about 80, 90 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh. Fred, really?
Yep.
Woo! But I feel like I'm in a roller coaster ride.
Glide down, yeah.
Into the west RSA runway 35.
Oh, thank you
Garmin
again.
Bravo,
Oh, no problem.
West RSA, 35.
It's every day. With the students.
Yep.
What a perfect job, huh?
Down.
Oh gosh, so cool.
3 Davy back 586 Tango Sierra.
Now, oh, look who's there.
Oh my god.
Got any Army guard units around the town already? There's also what's called an altimeter, which tells you again how high you are. Yep.
We're excited everybody's here to see the new helicopter, but we're even more excited that everybody's here to honor Miss Trudy Soli in the back over there. And we still get Army aviators that come back, 30 years later, that their first stop is always to go see Trudy. So it's a testament to her character. It's a testament to the care that she puts into her job, and over such a significant portion of time.
The aviation program is awesome at UND. I couldn't say enough good things about the aviation program here. FTP program is just top of the line. Come see me.